Alright, yes, this is going to be a quick one, and I would like you guys to listen to me very careful because, yes, we have been doing this, but there are some things that you need to understand, like from today, because I don't think there is someone else who is going to tell you this. Now, first and foremost, when you're trying to do a wave in and you're leaving the hair out, most of you call this the leave out, and this always works with straight laxed hair. Yeah, to those who have natural, it means you will have to do the side straight, or you relax it to have this hairstyle. But still, we have another style for you, those with natural hair, that we can do. Yes, you achieve this same hairstyle, but without relaxing your natural hair. Like, you stay with your hair naturally, and then you do this. I'll also come back for you in another video to show you how you can do this exactly with natural hair when you have not relaxed it. So what I've been doing, I was trying to make a sketch on how I'm going to do this wave, and this is the same thing that you should also need to do before even making these lines. You first try to separate the hair, and then you see how it is going to be. You make the lines to give you that raw thing, the way it is going to look like. Why you're doing that is just because most of the times where the hair is thick, it can always create that body for you, that volume for you to see very clearly, even when you add in the wave. So here is something that you need to understand, that whenever you're adding in the wave, all you need to know is we're just adding the wave for the hair to look to get like maybe to be more longer than this one. Yes, our main thing is to make it longer than this one. And then another thing, if the hair is somehow fine, like soft, you try to add the volume. But the problem is sometimes people add the volume like in front, like when they reach at the these first layers, like on top, not knowing that most of the time, like when you keep on reaching like at the top and you add on the more volume, it is going to look swollen, and maybe someone will see it clearly that there's something that you added in. So you always have to make sure that you saw it naturally. Like, you try to, let's say where you see there is a lot of hair, it's how you add in still a lot of hair. You understand? A lot of the way of a wave, where you see like maybe it is fine, it is some little hair, you also try to reduce on the layers of the wave, the one that you have been using, so that you can achieve the look that is really natural, and it is not showing that there is something inside in the hair. So as you're going to be seeing in this video, but all in all, what I wanted you to understand is, yes, we are adding in the wave, but what you need to put in mind, that this wave we are adding in, we are just trying to make sure that it blends with the hair. That's why most of the times we would plait it, but just cause for that one it would make you would cut the hair a lot like the wave, you'd cut it a lot. That we would just try to make a cornrow from like one side. We would make a cornrow and then we skip the hair, we don't make it, and then we put a cornrow in the middle, still we skip the hair, we put another corner in the middle, we skip the hair. In those cornrows that we put inside, we just add in on this wave, and the other one just hides it. So you find like there is something natural that you have created inside that. So it is the same thing here that we're trying to do, and now you just have to sew accordingly. Like whenever you see like the hair would have been a little hair, it is still the same technique that you use on the wave, that when you've been trying to do the two layers, then when you reach on the part when you see that maybe the hair was supposed to be little, you do only one layer so that it matches very well and it becomes natural, as you're going to be seeing in this video. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I work at Hair by Clippers, Hair by Clippers. Yes, Clippers with Z, and we are located in Tinda, Ministers Village. So you can always join us for our classes. Those ones who would love to join us on our School of Beauty, you can always come and we shall teach you. Yes, me myself, I'll be there to teach you. Yes, and then you can get all those certificates for the hairdressing. And then we have the online courses. You can also join them by clicking on the link in the description. It will take you through all those courses so that you can choose any that you want to do. So let's keep going through all this video and see what I was trying to tell you. And please, if you have any question that you would need to ask me, you can always go right in the comment section. Tell me what you feel about the hairstyle, and mostly you can always tell me where you're watching this from. I always feel happy to hear from you guys, because yes, when you tell me where you're watching from, I feel happy. And any question that you have, just write it there and I'll be there to answer you as soon as possible. So let's continue and see how it is going to look.
Got thorns around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wongoyaka, Maurice the crochet master didn't make on you, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Maurice the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonjumye, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah, nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. Oh na 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 na. Nobody do it like Maurice. The crochet master. Crochet master, he got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, nah. Maurice got the touch of a crochet master. Nah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. A touch of a crochet master. Maurice, yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Crochet master. Maurice, your crochet master. Maurice. Crochet master, no, touch of a crochet master. It's so good, yeah. Number one we're totally not your mama.
Right. So when everything is all done, here I'm trying to show you how it all came out. So here, the only thing when you want to know that you already made a mistake is when you find the weave that you have sewed on, it is very bigger than this hair that you left. That if this hair cannot cover the layer that you had added in, that's when you realize that you have done a mistake. But all in all, when you sew it very well and you really do understand all those parts and the angles where you don't need to put a lot of layers of the weave, you will always get it right. So as you can see, but if you leave if the hair is very fine, like it's fine hair, and yet you have added in the weave that is too this it is too like too much wave, you will find that this hair cannot cover the wave very perfectly. So this is what I got for you. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and may God keep blessing you all. Bye bye. See you in my other next video. Tolina,